Good morning or good evening, whichever you choose. Hello, everybody. With no fear. Oh, yeah. Early market close. Stick around in London session. Oli Show, welcome. Good morning. Bassam, hey there. Good morning. Fisher, good to see you, Fisher. Greg. Wow. Welcome, everyone. What's going on? Hello, hello. All right. Here we are. Here we are. In London kill zone. I'm trying to figure out some levels here. I think we have an Asia low down there, right? Yeah, most likely. How far is that? Oh, 70 points. All right. Let's look at some higher time frames. What's happening? Let's look to the left here. Sorry, on the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart. Oh man, oh man. This is actually interesting. On the 1 hour, we have a bearish order block or supply zone. Actually, two. Oh, wow. Okay. Is this all-time high? I think it is, right? I think it's all-time high. Yes. Nice. All right. So yeah, we do have some levels up there. Anyway, Red, good morning. Hey, Sorel. Good morning. Almost a Ferrari. Almost. Almost. Jerry, good morning. But hey, I put on a some stuff which should not give away the car. You know, just trying to be authentic, So 4% drawdown. Don't worry, Bessem. It's doable. No problem with 4%. 4%, you can still get out of that. Obviously, don't try to do it in one single day. You can get out of it. Gold is pushing. Let's see gold. You have relative equal highs here on the 15-minute. I'm gonna put this here. That's an interesting level. Hey, thank you, Raphael. Good morning. Well, it's not exactly the same model. The James Bond car was the E38-7 series. He used the Z8 and the Z3, and that's it. But looks good, definitely. Naomi, good morning. Welcome, Naomi. Good to see you. So I picked up the new hoodie, just to be sure, and the new baseball cap. So this way, I can still belong to a certain group of people. This way, it's more authentic, I think. Hey, good morning, Yoreget. Oh, definitely. It comes with the car. Yeah, it comes with the car. Definitely, it comes with the car. Well, it's yeah. 5 series is good. I had already 5 series and 7 series before. So I do have some experience on these cars, but But yeah, it's an old generation now. It's considered to be an older generation. But as I said, it's an excellent condition. Small repair. The PCE valve. That's what needs to be changed. With the valve cover gasket, but that's it. All right, we're still, by the way, speaking of NQ here, we are in a 15 points range. 15 points. So until we're not getting out from this range, I'm not gonna do anything with NQ. Let me see if we have anything on gold. We have a fair value gap on the 1 hour. Did not sweep the liquidity down here. Possible sell side liquidity. Excuse me, at 86.5. And we have a fair value gap here. Okay. 1 hour fair value gap on gold. All right. Should be all right. So NQ just ranging. Just ranging. Hey Ollie! Hey, what's up? Jason! Hi. Oh, thank you, Ollie. Thank you. Jason is short on NQ. Careful, careful. It could be good. There's a nice bullish order block here. I like it. And down here, there's also a good one. So let's just check on those levels as well. I like the fact that we have that down there. Okay, one there and one is also down there. Yeah, it could be a good one. ES, are you short on ES? Still, almost the same. Yeah, ES has some good targets below as well. I think I'm still just gonna wait for a displacement, but I'm not sure. I don't really want to rush into anything. Maybe I take a short on NQ as a probe trade only on an eval. Maybe. Yeah, I jumped into a small short position just to pick up the movement here. I like the levels down there. Relative equal lows, demand zone, bullish order block down there. Why not? If it starts to squeeze up there, then we might as well look for a level at 351. Why not? You know? Why not? Ah, thank you, Satoshi. Thank you. Welcome. Ah, you're short for an hour now. Okay. Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, I have a feeling that since we're so close to that 351, which is not all time high is 448, but we have these zones up there. It could be difficult to short now. So it's a little bit harder to predict the move. And if we're not moving out from this range, well, I don't know. We could be stuck here for a little bit. Nothing is moving. That's the thing. Nothing is moving. Maybe gold, but so far, not much. NQ is stuck, and we don't have any major news anyway. So, yes, exactly, Ollie. You're at 30 micros. 30 micros, yeah. I mean, if you get like, for example, 8 or 10 points, that's actually not bad. Obviously, make sure to cover the costs for the micros. The commissions are definitely higher on the micro. But, yeah. I also took a short, but as I said, just as a probe trade and only on an evaluation account. Here. Just to see if it drops lower or not. But so far, that's it. That is it. We have some zones down there. We have a new week opening gap. We have Asia low as well. Not sure how long are we going to stay in this range. All right. Just waiting. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Kraft. Thank you. Albert, good morning. All right, let's see how we're doing on this trade. Oh, getting lower. Okay, that's good. Actually, I like to see this go down here. But if not, that's still good. This is almost like technically it's an inversion gap up there, but I don't know how far it will go. Equal low at 250. Yes, we have the equal lows down there. And we also have a demand zone down here starting at 47. And another demand zone down here, which is not the most beautiful one, but at 213. Now, the issue is that we're very close to a supply zone up there at 351. So this can just turn around and go way higher. I'm not even sure if I want to keep this trade. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's something. On a day like this, Ollie, it's definitely better than nothing. Yeah, I agree. But so far, let's check on gold a little bit. We have a relative equal highs around 2916.4. There's also a bullish order block down here. The 1 hour actually looks like bullish. Like this one is just a classic long entry on the 1 hour. This previous hourly candle repriced the gap partially, and now it looks like it's heading higher up to 29.19. So that could be also interesting. But since the movement is considerably low than other days, I would just wait, especially with NQ. Not much happening right now. Not much happening. Slow Monday, slow Monday. Well, I mean, it's typical, especially in London session. But, you know. It happens. It happens. Yeah, Bassem, it's holiday feeling. Zach, good morning, Zach. Could have been with the rust inhibitor. Ollie, I'm not sure. Maybe. Fortunately, there is no rust on it, but yeah, that's the reason why it could be or should be coated. Not sure yet. Not sure about that part yet. But maybe. I don't know. Does they count as a trade day across? Yes, I think, Alicia. At least I think. Was it MyFundedFutures or TopStep? I don't even know. Some of those said that it's going to count as a trading day, but well, in Europe there is still movement. Dominfinity, there should be some movement here in Europe, or if not on NQ, then I'm also watching gold. You know, Europe is open. Maybe I'm gonna watch gold a little bit more today, and yeah. So, except for the US and the Canadian market, the whole world is ready for business. So, maybe something comes up on gold. But yeah, NQ is slow. This is just, by the way, speaking of holidays, I mean, I do remember, and I know that, especially on the Christmas holidays, we had better movement in NQ than on regular business days or working hours. So I was actually surprised that how many times we had better and cleaner price action on a holiday. I have to sandblast it and powder coat it to be like new again. Oh, sandblast it and powder coat it. You mean? I mean on the what's it called? What panel is that? I mean the bottom of the car, basically. That could be a good idea. Sandblast it and coat it. Yeah, protect against rust. That could be a good idea. Yes, exactly. No news, no news, Dumpfinity. Yes, I know. Well, we're still here. The chassis, yeah. Undercarriage, yes. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Maybe I'm gonna look into it because one of the goal is that to maintain this car in factory condition as much as possible. So no special tune or whatever. So no tune parts from Temu or Wish or AliExpress or stickers or stuff like that. No, nothing. Everything is gonna be preserved as OEM factory as much as possible. So yeah, so nothing, no glitch or I mean nothing crazy stuff. No, I'm not buying parts. No, I'm not buying parts from Temu. I just see some youngsters. No disrespect against young people. Like I see those youngsters with the fresh driver's license and their first cars. Many of they are having first car like this, like a BMW like this, which is great. But sometimes, and they are, they're meeting with each other at the shopping malls, or at the parking lots. And I see those youngsters. I was in the same shoes as well in my time, and I see these young people meeting with each other with same type of BMWs and German cars and whatever. And I see those cars like they have the stickers, they have the aftermarket AliExpress, Temu spoilers, and all those stuff on the car, like, and I don't know if I should cry or laugh or like, oh my god, what are you guys doing with those cars? And they're burning rubber in the parking lot, which is, I know they're young, they're young, but the point where I stand, like, I want to preserve the car as factory and OEM as much as possible. So no modification, no spoilers, no sport bumpers or all these glitches. And no, or cliches. Sorry, nothing like that. The windows are tinted. Well, I wouldn't say like they are factory tinted, so it's not that only the back windows and the rear passenger windows are a little bit darker by factory, but there's no there's no foil. Yeah, there's no foil on the windows, but it has the factory what's it called? The factory shading. Like it's you can pull up on the rear passenger side on the window, you can pull a shader on, and there's an electrical one at the back window. So that's factory as well. To a window tint. It's all right. Good morning, Dilzik. Yes, there is a tint law. You cannot have a tinted window on the front, and on the first passenger seat you can only use a very slight, like a super minimal tinted foil, like nothing extra, like basically almost nothing. So that's what you can have. You can do whatever you want on the rear windows. You have to have a small paper for it, that it's like you have to bring that paper to the tooth inspection, that it's like from a verified manufacturer, the foil. But you cannot put anything on the front and on the front passenger windows. I mean, there's only like a 0 point something, like a very, very small tint foil you can put on, and you have to have a paper from it, because it's gonna be failing and on a tooth inspection. But I don't care about that. So yes, Alicia, I tried to trade YM. I tried to trade YM, and I think, and it's not bad actually. I don't know if it's I mean, sometimes also YM stocks at the same spot, so it's not really moving. So it tends to do the same as NQ as far as I checked. I have some charts open on my left here, and I do look at YM. I see gold, and I see what they're doing. Sometimes they move, sometimes they not. So YM has those days when it's not moving at all. Almost like NQ. Lexus has one too. Nice. Blinder. Sorry. Yes. I really have to expand my English vocabulary. Yeah. Roberta, hey, good morning. Thank you, Beats. Thank you so much. Good morning, Marco. Thank you, Marco. Thank you. Oh, really? All right. Yeah, it's an older generation, and if I put in a little bit of more money, like for $7,000, so this car was starting from $6,300, but we found this little issue with the valve cover gasket. Actually, it's the PCE valve, but it's built in the valve cover gasket. The PCE valve has failed on this car. It's actually broken. So if you push the gas pedal, like if you really do some heavy acceleration, then you hear a whining noise from the engine. Like, it's really annoying. It's like whining or screeching, I don't know. But that's the PCE valve, and the PCE valve is built in the valve cover gasket. So the mechanic told me the simple solution is just to change the whole valve cover gasket. That would solve the problem. And it fails on all of these models, no exception. It always fails. The question is when. And this one just failed. And the owner told me, like, okay, he acknowledges it, that it could be the issue. And we went down on the price. But if I would have gone higher, like $7,500, I could have bought an F10 BMW. But for $7,500, an F10 series, F10 5 series, I would have to spend another $5,000 to repairs on that car. Because usually the $7,500 F10, I'm gonna have to do a full engine repair. I'm gonna have to spend a lot of money on that car. But this one is an older generation, but as I said, the condition is awesome. The condition is just, the previous owner really put a lot of money and effort to keep this car in shape. So that's why I choose to go with this. And there's no turbo. I had a 7 series with a turbo. I was always having problems with the turbo, and I said, no, I'm not doing that again. Now, this one doesn't have a turbo. So, like, okay, no turbo, thank God. So thank you, Alicia. Michael, good morning. You feel sick? Yeah. Thank you. Just stick around, you know. Stick around, Michael, and just relax. Bowser, hey. Molo, thanks again. I have M5. M5 2013. Jesus, Molo. Molo, hit me up in private. Malo is my new best friend. the M8 BMW. This is my background. This is my dream car here. So this is my dream car. So Malo is gonna be my new best friend. Oh, where is my? Come on. Okay. So yeah. Yes, exactly. That's gonna be changed. Yeah. The valve cover gasket is a simple fix. We will change it. Most likely in a few days. It's gonna be changed. Yeah. Crude oil, yeah, Maggie, I tried it, but I think I only tried it for a short while. But trading crude oil is, I think it only works best in the New York session. But since I'm using the smart money concepts, I think it's basically good for most of these markets, including crude oil. The thing is, the more markets I look, the more risk I take on my accounts. So I'm trying to focus maximum on 2 markets. Crude oil was always kind of interesting to me, but I picked gold because if I would go with a CFD prop firm, which I plan to do, I will be planning to trade gold there. But yeah, crude oil is good too. The dream car is a little bit more expensive. It's a little bit more. I just need to make another extra $100,000, and I will be very close to buy the, if not even the M8, but an 850. Yeah. If it has the device that you see the dashboard reflect on the front window. Oh yeah, the head-up display. It doesn't have a head-up display. This one is not having a head-up display. But it's not having it. I think head-up display is a cool thing. A very good comfort feature for the cars, but this one does not having it. Exactly, Ollie. BMWs are great when nothing is broken on them. So somebody commented on the video about the mechanic. So I have to say that one of my new best friend is gonna be my mechanic from now on. I have to remember his birthday, you know, send him a card on every Christmas and holidays, you know. I have to be in very, very, very good terms with him. Oh, the E31. Oh, man. The E31. So I think... I said this before. I think BMW was on the peak of its design and manufacturing somewhere around the 90s. Even though they made good cars in the 80s too. So the E31, the E39, those like the 5 series, the E39 M5, the E31 8 series, the E38 7 series. Oh my god, those were like, they were dominating. And the F10 is great too. For example, the F10, the G series are great. Obviously, times are changing, people are changing, trends are changing. I born in the 80s, so that's why I'm stuck in the 90s cars. But yeah, you had a 23 7 series. Oh my god, Jason. Wow, the supercharged Range Rover. Wow. The new Mazda. I really like it too, Michael. I like the new Mazda. Who knows where the old Mazda is now? I think the new owner somehow managed to make the inspection papers for the car, and he's flipping the car for some cheap money. Oh yeah, best DJ in town. Yeah, the E30 M3. Oh my god, that's a classic. Yeah. It was a V6. You had to sell it. Oh. David, good morning. Hello, David. Yeah, so good old days, good old days. Obviously, so I'm over 40 years now, and I'm not gonna get younger, but obviously the younger generation would be looking the newer series as their go-to cars, but I'm stuck in the 90s. So. Is Honda Civic Type R? Oh wow, that's a good car, by the way. The Type R. Actually, that's a reliable car. Trucking business went down. Oh, I see. Hey, Casual, good morning. How you doing, Casual? Yes, Michael. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you. Yeah. By the way, it's 91% off Bulenox. Oh, I forgot to change the banner here. 91% off Bulenox. Let me I totally forgot to change the banner. So they changed it only on option 1 accounts. Good. Totally forgot to change the banner. Bulenox is it 91% or 81? Now I'm confused. I know they went. I think it's 91. 91, yeah, 91%. Let me change it. Bulenox is 91% off. Confirm. Okay. Uh-huh. Bulo 91. 1 day pass. Okay, nice. Changed it. Oh, TP. Nice. Just made it to TP. Alright, we're going lower. Look at this. We are almost at this 5-minute zone here. Yes, $15.75 on the 50K plan again on option 1 account. That's the cheapest upfront cost that you can get. And that's a good advertisement, by the way, Michael. So yeah, the guy who bought the old Mazda, he's definitely flipping it for some money. Thank you. Yeah, it was a good one. This was a low-hanging fruit based on the 1-minute chart. It's not a clean one, but there was a somewhat minor demand zone and bullish order block here. Relative equal lows, so I just exited here, and that's it. But I think it should go down to 47, and if you go back to the 5-minute, so if you go to the 5-minute, here is a bullish order block here at 47, and there's another one down there at 213. But be careful, because these highs up here are a little bit suspicious to me. A little bit suspicious. Waldo, hello. Hey, it's my pleasure, Waldo. You got 39. That's a good target as well. Yeah, that's a good target. Yeah, so did I change it? Yeah, I did. Okay, so 91%. It should be showing. Yeah, there you go. 91% off 1-day pass with Bulenox. Take Profit Trader still has no daily loss limit. No daily loss limit and 50% off. Check that out too. Yeah, the activation fee is definitely not good on the 150K. I would say maybe that if you really want to go with the bigger account at Bulenox, then 100K is the maximum that you should go with. It's like $230 or $40 to activate. If there's a cheap sale like now, you can do it, but that would be the maximum I would go with, is 100K with Bulenox. 150K is just crazy, the activation fee. Oh, send me some. Oh, thank you, Malo. Let me check. Nice. Oh, let me. Oh my God. Malo. Jesus. These were all yours? Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. The 81-3 series. The Shark. Jesus, man. Oh my god, Malo. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. Man, that is awesome. Beautiful cars. The 4 Series, beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely. You have a good taste. Really. Good colors. Everything looks great. Oh. Your son bought you that 81. That is just awesome, man. How cool is that you get a car for your birthday from your... Oh, that is so cool. And actually the oh, sorry. I just clicked it away. And actually those 3 Series, that is a beauty. Looks absolutely fantastic. Yeah, that's so cool. Like, you get a car from your son, and from the year that you were born. That's just great. For the life, hey there. That is just awesome, man. Congratulations. Congratulations for the cars and for your son as well. That is just awesome. He is... I mean, that's just an awesome gesture. Max, hey there. Welcome. What up, what up? So right now, I'm trying to figure out where this one might go to. We have these relative equal highs on gold. I don't want to jump into a short while it slowly progresses up there to the 16. So I'm not going to look for anything on gold until then. And we'll see. Yonex is long. From 250. Good, good, good. 1981. I'll go dead. Awesome. The PNL, Glenn, so far for the day, almost nothing. I made a small trade earlier. I made like 70 bucks. And I did not copy it anywhere. That was a probe trade earlier, so let me just tell you. Just a second. I made not too much. I made $60. So that's it. Oh, look at that. It's still going down. So today, not too much. Not many things happened. Whoa! King Jed 3, or King Jade. Maybe it's an E. King Jade, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. That's amazing year. Yeah, you guys are the proof. Exited 261 with 1 mini. Oh yeah, it just went down a little bit. Yeah. Sometimes I do think that I should leave a runner. In a slow London session, sometimes though I just think I should just go for the, I should just go for the low-hanging fruit with the full TP. By the way, if some of you guys are just tuning in, here's my new merchandise. Almost came with the car. So, gotta make sure to stay authentic for the stream. So, I don't know how you see it, but, which one? Here. Oh, you guys don't see it. So, so gotta stay authentic. All right, this is how I'm gonna trade from now on. It cannot be seen on the camera too much, but hey, my girlfriend told me that's the minimum I should do for the stream to get the merch on. Yeah. So here I am. It does have the M badge as well. Oh, where is it? Here. So. Yeah, it's bank holiday, but only in the US. I thought that we are gonna see some movements here in the London though. Artie, good morning. Yeah, it's US holiday. It's US holiday. That's why I'm gonna be looking on gold. Maybe the European players will move gold a little bit, but so far NQ, it's a little bit scary to jump in. Trader Monk, good morning, Joreget. Yeah, why not? Yeah. You have a rain jacket. Oh, nice. For about 3 years. I found too dangerous and so did I see. Yeah. But the NQ can. Yeah, the NQ, as I said before, like sometimes I see that NQ is moving much better in a holiday than on a regular business hours or working day or work day. We tend to see this around Christmas and even Thanksgiving. 1 hour BC. Let's see. Let's see this 1 hour. Oh yes. I totally forgot about this, by the way. About the 1 hour gap here. One hour BC. So far, so good. There could be a turnaround here. Who knows? Yes, exactly, best DJ in town. Exactly. Hey, Nathan. Thank you. Show you what Hungary is like. If you guys would like to, I can do some more vlog. The thing is, I have to buy a new phone. I have this old phone. I film everything with this phone. And this is like 5 years old now or something. I think I have to invest to, not that I need the new phone, but to one with faster CPU or bigger memory that I can do better videos with. So maybe I'll do that. By the way, I know it's not too much trading related, but I always like to do videos, like most likely not for YouTube, but for family and myself and everything. I always like to do videos. I'm very bad in editing, but when we go to places, I always like to do some short videos, you know, pick up some stuff, and that's why I made the playlist, that vlog playlist on the channel. That maybe I will upload some vlog videos as well. You know, a little bit, just a small portion, maybe trading related, but most likely IRL stuff. You know, things from life. You know, why not? I love to be building more engagement with you guys and show you guys places and stuff around here. I always like to do that. So I might do it. Yeah, I wasn't really sure if I don't know. Maybe waiting for Asia low, but it's not sure yet if it's gonna go down there. On the 5-minute down here, that level on the 5-minute, to me, because it swept liquidity on the swing low, so there's a swing low, and this bearish candle swept it and then immediately pushed higher, made the structure shift. So let me show you here. So this was a bullish market structure shift there. And there was a liquidity sweep here, market structure shift here and here. So basically 2 places. Boom. This makes this level to me a little bit interesting down there. So I wouldn't be entering into a short. In fact, after the London Open, I might, if it's just repricing this area, I might even be looking for a possible continuation to drop lower. For example, it goes up like this, repricing it, and then boom, goes down into that zone down there. This would be something I would be looking into with another trade. That would be great, I think. But somehow these levels up there are a little bit suspicious to me. I don't know. And also the Asia low is around the 200 level. That makes this more interesting. So bullish order block, demand zone, 200 level, you know, interesting. I think there's liquidity down there. That's what I think. So I'll be watching for the London Open. Yeah, looking fresh. Thank you for joining Trading Edge. Welcome. Yeah, I traded Forex. I traded Forex for years. I lost a bunch of money, but because I was stupid, it's not because of the market. So I traded Forex, mostly pound dollar and pound yen. But yeah, here I am trading futures. 4 minutes until the alcohol is. Oh, nice. I'll go. Whatever. Hey, you know, whatever. Whatever makes you good profits. Oh, good morning from cloudy Dubai. Thank you, Pipslayer. Thank you so much. So it's cloudy right now, but it's always sunny, right? But other than that, the weather should be always sunny. Thanks for joining, Pipslayer, and thanks. New week opening gap high as well. Yeah. So here we are. London Open is just happening. London Open is happening. Let me delete this from the chart. If I see something good, maybe on the 1 minute, I might jump in for another short. I don't see a structure yet to go long. Gold is moving. Today is cloudy. Okay. Reza, hey. Reza, welcome, welcome. Thank you, Reza. Hey, good to see you, man. Hope you had a good weekend. And also I wanted to say that let us update if you got something on the Tick Trader payout. Not that I'm worried or anything. I talked with someone who received payout from Tick Trader last week, so I just want to know. Still nothing. Okay. Someone told me he was waiting for almost 10 days until I got the approval and the payout. Yeah, hopefully. So this guy told me he was waiting for like 10 days, but and others were saying there was a few days extra nowadays with Tick Trader, but everybody got the payouts. I'm constantly checking now their Discord, and if I'm able, I DM to some guys. But let us know how it goes, Reza. I think everything should be okay, so no issue with them. I'm still building up the account with them. No, nothing is happening with Tick. I mean, not that we know of. There was some delays, not delays, but usually they're doing payouts in about 2 to 7 business days. But in the past couple of weeks, it's more likely 8 to 10 business days, as they say, until the payouts are. There's a few people there on the Discord who are waiting since 2 weeks now, and they don't know why, since others have been paid, but some people are still waiting. So is that a technical glitch or whatever? It's not about the money, because the ones who are waiting actually waiting for less money than the ones who are already paid. So I don't know if that's a manual issue, whatever, but since years they were paying and they're still paying. I just don't know what is the process right now. I'm still building the accounts with them, so oh yeah, Satoshi had to wait 10 days for the payout to receive after approval from TopStep. I also heard that TopStep is getting slower on payouts. I don't know if that's how much is that true. Obviously here Satoshi says 10 days after approval. Some others told me that nowadays on average TopStep pays you out in about a week. But I don't know. Someone made a video a few hours ago about some issues with them limiting live traders to very little drawdown. Alicia, is that Tick Trader or TopStep? A little drawdown. I think it's Tick, right? I don't know. And Rottable, hey there. I trade with Rhythmic. If there's a chance, I always choose Rhythmic or DX feed like CQG, just to make sure I can connect with Quant Hour. Reza says TopStep after approval 2 days. Hopefully not, Pipslayer. Good morning, Farhad. Hey. It used to take, yes, Tick. Okay. It used to take a day or 2 days after approval. Has been slow. What is happening in the prop firm industry? Who knows? Oh, by the way, I think option 2 accounts are also on sale. Maybe I forgot to Oh yeah, option 2 accounts are 75% sale. It's not 45, 75%. My bad. Let me update this. So Bulenox option 2 accounts are 75% sale. With the Tom Sabo 2 code. Totally forgot that. Longs are reasonable here. 5 micros. Let's see. Let's see the 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute is pushing and keeps on pushing, so that's a good thing. Honestly, I'm still looking at this recent swing on the 5 minute chart. The 50% level is here around 49.75. I'll be watching price from there. If I see a bearish reaction on this level, I might try to go short, but somehow I still like the short idea here. So, oh, thank you, RB. Thank you. Welcome to the stream. You're long from 236. Oh, nice. Oh, you caught it right there. Beautiful. Beautiful, Martin. Dun, dun. I'm still gonna wait a little bit here. To be honest, I am tempted to jump into a short. To have a stop above the 55s here. 50. Yeah, somewhere up there. I don't know. But if it would go lower, 213. Okay. Okay, I took a short position, but only on an evaluation account. And I'm not copy trading it. Very low risk, and it's actually low probability. My stop is just above here, so very tight stop, 58.50. I am not taking this on a funded account, but the idea is to go lower and try to take out that zone down there. So if this is the OTE zone, optimal trade entry area for the continuation, I'm just gonna go with it, and that's it. But obviously it's a dangerous trade, super dangerous. How's Apex payout? Well, so far I'm still building up the new accounts. So as I showed you guys in that video a few weeks ago, I blow up my Apex accounts. Unfortunately, it's my mistake. So I'm building up the new funded accounts right now. Yeah, could be, Martin. Yeah. Break even. Let's go. That's a free trade now. Cool, cool. How long is the longest you have a funded account? 3 months, Alicia. It was 3 months. I don't remember. I think it was. I had a funded account at Bulenox for 3 months, and I had one at Apex. 2 payouts secured on both accounts. I didn't make it to the third payout because I tilted and I blown the accounts. Yeah, almost 3 months. 3 months, almost 90 days. Yeah. Calendar days, so not trading days. Yeah. Tudor, good morning. Yeah, I was actually, when I lost those accounts, and those accounts were over 2 payouts, and it was last year, um, late summer, August, September, no, September, October-ish. And when I lost those accounts, it wasn't really just about the profit that I made on those accounts. It was mainly about the pain that it was so bad is being caused because of the time and the energy. That's what I was really sad to say so. Like I put in a lot of time, pain, effort to maintain those accounts, and I was building those accounts like $100 a day, $200 a day. I was really carefully choosing my trades. I wasn't trading every single setup on them, so I was really filtering out the trades, and I was very proud of those accounts that I could maintain those. But still, the day has come when I full tilted, and that's it. That's it. And until this day, I'm still a little bit scared, like how to avoid those full tilting days, how to stop myself from doing crazy stuff. I don't know. I don't know. Well, it seems like it's going higher. Okay, we're at the 61.8 level. If it's not going to turn this around, then I'm not going to hold it for longer. Uh-oh. Okay, it's pushing it, I think. I thought this one's going to turn around. But no issue, no problem. King Jade, Bulenox, the one that I actually like in Bulenox is that they have absolutely zero social media presence. They are around since a few years, not too long, like 3 years ish, 4 years, I think. Bulenox is in business. I took a couple of payouts from them, and I think the best thing in Bulenox is that they have absolutely no social media presence at all. Like their Twitter account is not updated since almost 2 years now. No, not 2 years, but like 18 months ago or 16 months ago. No updates. They don't have a Discord, which is good, I think. They don't have a Discord. Nothing. Unofficial groups are yes, there are unofficial Bulenox groups on Facebook and Reddit, I think, but they don't do any social media, not even YouTube, nothing. But they pay. Oh, thank you, Alicia. Thank you. Smell the blood is almost impossible to stop. Oh, definitely. Yeah, the lockout, actually, the lockout function, I think it's a great thing. I think it's a great thing. I wish Quantower or Rhythmic or whatever would have the same thing. Like Rhythmic has it. It has a daily loss limit and then it stops you out, but you can just override it. If you go into Rhythmic Trader, you can override it and continue to trade. So that's not a real lockout. Tradeaway has it, but you can also override it. So it's not a real lockout when you can just go to the settings and override it, right? Because that's what you're going to do. If you are on full tilt, you are just going to override it. So you need a function that is truly locking you out. There's no way to get back to the account. Yes, exactly, Michael. Exactly. Hey, József. Nem írtam vissza, sorry, just a bit Hungarian here. Megy a piac. Elfelejtettem írni neked, hogy nem vettem még számlákat, de fogok. Úgyhogy szólok mindenképp, nem fókuszáltam. Mindenképp fogok most a szélbe, úgyhogy fogok, mert hiszem holnap után lejár, úgyhogy... Yeah, Michael, so... Tudom, de én meg akartam írni. Csak lusta vagyok. Meg nem lusta, hanem nem is jelentkeztem be. Csak most eszembe jutottál. De tudom. De gondolok rád. Mert aztán lejárnak itt a szélek. Úgyhogy... Alright. Let's see. What is happening? What is happening? Let's see how this trade goes. Let's see how this goes. Well, we could be hovering around here for a little bit. I'm not looking for more. I'm just looking for about 30 points. Let's see. All right. On copy maybe 10-20 accounts and go for so if you go for $50 or $100, it's good, you know. Most likely you should be trading with 1 or 2 micros if you're aiming for $50 or $100. But with copy trading, even if it's on Quantower or NinjaTrader, so Replicanto or the built-in Quantower, whatever, even if it's on Tradeaway, actually I don't know if I think there's a slight lag there as well. Anyway, on NinjaTrader and Quantower, if you copy trade like 10 accounts, 20, there will be a lag, especially if you're entering with a market order. So some accounts might show that you're in profit $50 or $60. Other accounts might even end up in a loss because the execution and the fill is going to be different with a few points. That could happen. And it's not, you know, it's this issue is on NinjaTrader and Quantower too. But the idea is good, but keep in mind there's always going to be a little bit of a lag in executions. I would separate them to groups. So if I would be having 20 funded accounts, I would separate them into like groups of 4 or 5 accounts. So maybe like 4 or 5 groups, I would separate them, and that's how I would rotate those groups. That's how I would do it. I'm 100% sure that I would not be copy trading all of them because it's mentally it's a little bit too much, especially if you are on a losing streak. Everybody can get to a losing streak, and it will come. It's always around the corner. And if you are on a losing streak with 20 accounts, that's going to take a very deep emotional scar, emotional toll, you know, especially if your third or fourth or even fifth trade is a loss and multiplied by 20 accounts. That is like, that's an emotionally very, very hard to deal with. So that's that I would definitely tear it down to smaller groups. And if you're on a losing streak, you know, that can save you from, you know, going full tilt maybe. Yeah. I mean, everybody does it differently. Obviously, there are some bigger YouTubers who are copy trading 20 accounts, 40 accounts, 50 accounts, even more. It's up to you, personal preference at the end of the day, risk management, you know. I know I couldn't be doing it, at least not for now. So, but yeah. If we really think about it, overall we should be fine with like 2 or 3 funded accounts at like overall 2 or 3 funded accounts, and you don't even need to copy trade them. We should be completely fine with 2 or 3 funded accounts. That is enough to, you know, to rotate them. And the goal is not to, obviously, yeah, so it's not true because the goal is to make millions of dollars every single session, I know. But I think you can make decent withdrawals from 2 or 3 funded accounts. especially if you're above the safety threshold. And so it doesn't really matter which prop firm are we talking about. Once you get over the safety threshold, then that's when it really comes to be a good business, you know. Especially with Take Profit Trader, you're above the safety threshold, you make like $500, $1,000, not just in one day. Maybe you can make it in 2 or 3 days, whatever. You just click it out, and boom, you have the money right there. So I think it's something. This is one of the reasons why I'm aiming to go for the payouts with Take Profit Trader. I only have one funded account with them, but you know. Hey, News McBoots, what up? Hey, welcome to the stream. Make millions of dollars every session. Yeah. Took along at 237. Sold, like you said, 255. Short at 255. Thank you, Malo. I'm glad you're making some good profits there. Let's go. Let's go. That's a wrap. That's how you do it, Malo. Malo does this all the time. Comes in, takes the money, walks away like Clint Eastwood, and that's it. That's how he does it. Camille, hey. Daddy, I'm the daddy now. What's going on, Camille? Welcome. Welcome, welcome. If somebody's just dropping in, I do have the new merchandise here. What the Forex? Good morning from Cyprus. Hey. Yeah, the short looks good for now. Let's hope that it stays that way. Emotional damage. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly, Vincent. Pontosan. Sajnos. All trade live Bulenox New York session. Let's go. Daddy. Yeah. I know. Although I'm not Andrew Tate or something. Maybe I should visit Andrew Tate at Bucharest. It's not far from here. Hey, Red Pill. How much are the activation fee? Yes. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the activation fee. It's here. It's here. It's super expensive, but I'm gonna show you. It's really expensive. Here it is. So the fee for the master account, the 50K account has it for $148. The 100K account has for $248. So do not go over than 100K. I think that would be the max. Look at the activation fee on the 150K. $498. Do not go with this one. And look at the $900 for the 250. That's absolutely mental. So don't go with that. The maximum, and only on if there's a good sale, the maximum if I would go that I would go with is the 100K if there is a cheap sale going on. That's it. But the optimal is the 50K. It's $1 cheaper than Top Step. I always say that, but $148 for the 50K and $143 on the 25K, and the 10K has $98 of activation fee. But do not go higher than 100K. I would say 50K is the best to go with. Oh, what is happening here? Are we going down? Drops the mic. 130. Hey, Maria. Yeah, trade plan is playing out like, yeah, let's just hope that, you know, let's see if this area is going to be targeted. It's not, I'm not sure yet if it's going to go, but so far, who knows? So far, who knows? No, I'm not an Andrew Tate fan. I'm not an Andrew Tate fan, but I'm not gonna go into details. I know many, most likely youngsters are loving him and following him, so I'm not going to comment on Andrew Tate. Yeah. Yeah, the 50k would be the optimal, I think, with Bulenox. That would be the optimal. That would be the optimal. And just to do a small commercial, the cheat code for the prop firms to get the best available discounts, the best available reset fees, and everything is Tom Sabo. Don't forget to use it. The best, except for Tradeify. Unfortunately, they didn't give me a custom code because I don't know. But still, if you click on the Tradeify link I have, if you like to support the channel, please click on the link first and then use the actual monthly code, which is FAB. That gives a little bit of credit. But other than that, if you use the code Tom Sabo, that gives you the best available discounts and options. The cheat code. Top G. Yeah. He is the top G. I mean, for some people. Come on, NQ. Just go down. We still have the pre-market open ahead of us. Does clicking the link eliminate the farmers? Well, if you click on my link, that should be updating the cookie in the browser. So if you click on my link and go to the purchase page at Tradeify and use the code FEB, then yes, I would get a small commission from the sale. Because I said this and I will repeat this, I hope not for long, that without the affiliate commissions, it would be hard to be here full time. Now, especially with the BMW, guys, the BMW is going to cost a lot of repair bills. So lots of repairs. Need to maintain that car. I need to. Oh my! I don't even want to think about it. Maintenance costs are through the roof. Almost. No, it's not. Not yet. But you know. NQ traded below. We owe ES not. Let me check on ES here. Jimmy, hey. When I pass one Eval account, then I can buy more funded account, or I have to pass. Yes, you have to pass more evaluation accounts, Jimmy. There's only you can buy instant funded accounts too, Jimmy, but obviously it's much more expensive. So for example, with MyFundedFutures, it's called the milestone account, or TickTickTrader has the direct funded accounts. Tradeify has a direct funded, but yes, so most of these platforms, that's how it goes. I think you can reset at Take Profit Trader, but anyway, you have to pass more evaluation accounts. That's the thing. So once you pass, yeah. How much money is needed to have a normal life? Yeah, sure, Michael. To have a normal life, to drive a BMW like I do. No, to have a normal life. So I pay rent, right? So most of the time, like, I mean, you pay rent, you pay your bills, utility bills, for food, and let's just assume that. So I bought the car for cash, but if you pay a lease for the car, for a newer one, which most people are doing, I would say to make a comfortable living, like you pay the rent, you have money for food, and you know, for some, you can go to the restaurant maybe once or twice, and you know, buy some clothes, whatever. I would say you need, and you're not gonna be living like with a fancy lifestyle, but you're gonna be living on a okay-ish level. You need like $1,800 ish. That's what you need. But then you will be living like a normal, quote unquote, comfortable level. You have money for food, you pay for the rent, the bills are being paid. You can go to restaurants sometimes with your spouse. You can look for some clothes sometimes. So, you know, $1,800. Unfortunately, many people, as I said before, making $900 a month or $800 in a single month here in this country. Officially, Hungary is the poorest country in the European Union. It's a fact. It's a statistical fact. Hungary is the poorest country in the European Union. Many people are making $800, $900 per month. So imagine, how can you pay rent and make a living from $800? It's impossible. So that's a huge issue here. But from $1,800, you're good. You can. I'm not saying fancy lifestyle, but you're good. Yeah, Tamimi, I hope not. You need to live. My monthly overhead is 28. What the hell, Malo? Wow. 28,000. You want to move to Bali? Bali is a good place. Van webalapú verzió? Nincs, Vincent, nincs webalapú, csak Windows. Igen. Elfelejtettem mondani, igen. Csak Windows. Esetleg Ninja Trader Web, amivel tudsz még. Ami persze egy másik platform. Just a quick answer to Vincent here. California is not worth the dollar anymore. I heard that living expenses in California, and I'm just reading online, so that's all I see, you know, in some politics and some information but I'm reading and hearing and watching videos that the living costs of California are getting higher and higher. I don't know. It's most likely about the tax issues or whatever. I'm not sure. All right, come to Hungary, Michael. Definitely. So yeah, that I heard that the living expenses in California are definitely higher. Oh, excuse me. I'm yawning here. What's happening with NQ now? Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Mm. VWAP is holding. Darn it. Hmm. If it trades lower than this, I might gonna move my stop to break even. I'll see. If it makes one more leg down, I might move it to break. I don't know. Actually, I don't know because it's a flat candle here. Price likes to retest these flat candles, so I might just gonna leave it. But what I can do is reduce my risk here a little bit. Okay, so I reduced my risk because if we trade above the 55, then obviously it wants to go higher then. And why hold it? There's no point for holding trade above 55. Let's see what it does. So far, so good. What's the low of this candle? The low here is okay, 50. Good. I'm gonna leave it there. The TP is on spot. All right, all right. What's it gonna be? Man, this is like slow motion. Quick look on gold. Nothing. Nothing on gold that I like. I would say it wants to go higher to 29, 16. 29, 16.4 ish or 0.5. That's what but hold on. There is a bullish order block here. I don't know. And this is a bearish order block. Man, it's difficult. Okay, I think it wants to go higher. My bet on gold is that it wants to take out the 2916.4 or 0.5 equal highs up there. I'm not entering, but this is what I think it can happen. You can live with your trading. It's because I'm thinking living off trading. Well, Maria, it's I don't do anything else. I do this full time, but I never made a secret, and I'm gonna say it again and again that I'm not a constantly profitable trader. Although I took payouts almost every. Well, I mean, in the past few months, I'm taking payouts, but small payouts. And I also buying new evaluation accounts and paying activation fees when I go crazy, when I go full tilt. So that being said, I'm not making a living from payouts from prop firms. I mean, not from trading itself. But I'm doing this as a full-time business with YouTube and as an affiliate for these prop firms, right? As others do it as well. So I'm not the only one. There's dozens and dozens of other YouTubers who are trading. And without the affiliate commissions, I could not be here. So I am making now most of my monthly income from the affiliate commissions. That's the truth. So, and this is because of you guys who are supporting me by using my code. Without the affiliate commissions, I would not be here full time. That's the plain truth. I want to change that. I really want to change that. The end goal is to change it and to be consistently profitable, and mainly on my private account, not on funded accounts. That would be the end goal, but I'm not there yet. So I don't have other work. I don't do anything else. I'm here on YouTube full time because of you guys. Help me with the affiliates, and that's what I do. I really hope that this year is gonna change. Last year was a big step forward, because last year from February to June I couldn't take a payout from prop firms. I was on a totally losing streak. Then from July until the end of the year, actually until December was zero, but I took payouts every month. My best month for payouts from trading was $9,000 in last October. I made $9,000 in October only from trading. But in December, I made zero. In January, I made $2,400. In February, I made $1,500 from payouts. So it's not, it's very hectical. But the goal, I think this year, not just think, I know that this year is going to be a turnaround, that I should be able, and I will be able to make like bigger payouts. The goal is I'm not gonna how should I put this? The goal is to make at least 10K. At least the bare minimum is to make 10K from trading proper. I mean, just from payouts from trading per month. When will we achieve that? I don't know. It could take another year or 6 months. Who knows? But that's the goal. Oh, no problem, Glenn. I appreciate you guys, and I really thankful for everybody when using my code as well. You know, a few dollars here, a few dollars there, it adds up really good, and I can make a very decent living here in Hungary from the affiliate commissions. I pay tax as well. I have a small company formation, so basically I'm a contractor. A small company. I pay the tax. I do what I can, right? So NQ's turned off, definitely. I don't know what's happening with NQ. Give him mic to Donald. No problem, Maria. In the same trade? Let's go, Ashevs. Live streaming. Let's go. Let's go, Ashevs. Wow. Nice. Yeah, so it is how it is. It is how it is. Check out Oshev's channel. Check out Oshev's channel. If you click on his name, let's look at this guy. What is he doing over there? There he is. Look at him. He's live trading. Give him a sub and like his channel. There you go. Go, everybody. Oh, you're muted. Go to Oshev's channel, everybody. Nice. Give him a sub and a like. Let's go. Let's go. You know, I think anyone who actually goes to YouTube and shows live trading, I think it's an extra pressure, by the way. So so it's definitely a good thing to support each other. What is he doing? This is his chart. Is he in a trade? Yes. He's in a trade. He's short. Nice. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Same trade. All right. I'm not sure. Maybe it's on my end. I don't hear a sound. But anyway. Yeah, check out his channel. I don't hear a sound. But yeah, I think you have to change something on your microphone, Ashevs, or something. I don't know, because we don't hear the microphone. No sound. Okay. So you have to change something on the sound. All right. How are we doing here? How we doing here? Let me refresh. Maybe that's the thing. Still in the short.
Hello.
Hello. Now it's great. Now there was some sound. There was something.
You should be able to hear me now, hopefully.
Yeah. It's a little bit.
Now, Richard.
It's better now.
Sorry, I just had to adjust stuff.
It's good now. All right. All
Okay,
right.
perfect.
All right. All
Sorry
right.
about that. Good morning, everyone. How are we?
Let's go. Let's go. So my TP would be down at 15.50. Let's see. We are in the macro right now. And I'm just curious. No, it was Oshev's. He's streaming too. Check out his channel. Oh. You click on his name and go to channel and you can check him out. Give him a sub and a like. So 215.50 down there. Oh, link the channel. Yeah, sure, no problem. Let me link his channel. Here's his channel. Go there, give a sub, click the like button. Let's see. 215.50. What is going on? Oh, then sorry. Then here's the channel. I thought that you can click on it. No problem then. Here's the link. Look at this, how nicely it goes now. Good morning, Third. What's happening? Hello. Let's see how the pre-market open is gonna change the situation here. Let's see. All right. So the pre-market open didn't really do anything yet. Oh, I see. All right, Camille. Okay, Camille. I see what you're getting to. Okay. Oh, no equities. Jesus, I'm so stupid. Yeah. Why am I totally forgot that. Yeah. I'm sorry. True. 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 Still, sometimes there's some comes some volume, but nah, sorry, totally forgot. No pre-market open. Country fried steak. Oh man. Oh, I would love to eat some good steak. I would love to eat some good steak now. That would be awesome. Oh man. It could be hovering around here in the next hour. Who knows? Uh-oh. Is it going higher? Let's look on gold. Yeah. Gold wants to go for that 29.16. Let me look at the risk here. Oh, wow. It's going for it. Look at that. Gold is breaking the high there. Look at that. There was a good entry here, maybe, for a scalp. Yeah. Too late now. Yeah, me too, Tommy. Me, yeah. No more drama, Camille. We don't need the drama. We have to focus on the good trades here, you know. No drama. Come on, man. No drama. Only good vibes. Just the good vibes here. Come on, NQ. Just one more drop. That's all we need. That is all we need. Just one more drop. Using day traders? Yes, I trade with them, Vincent. They seem to be legit. So basically, they are new, but they are the co-founders of Apex. So as they separated ways, they created day traders, and now they are suing each other. So Apex is suing day traders. Day traders is suing Apex for the technology and for some money. And not just for some money. I think for like I don't know, 20 million, 30 million dollars. I don't even know, or 40. But they are suing each other. Other than that, nothing extra. I do use them, same code, but yeah, they're good. And no monthly payment on the evaluation, by the way. So only one-time payment on the evals, no monthly recurring fees, just one-time payment. So you can take your time, 2 months, 3 months, as long as you want to pass that evaluation account. There's no monthly payments, so you know. Yeah, I don't know what's their business so far. I have evaluation account with them, but I don't know. Yeah, they make from the court papers, the ones that are leaked on Twitter and Reddit. It seems like Apex was making 10 to 15 million dollars per month net profit, so not gross profit, but net profit. 10 to 15 million dollars net profit per month last year. Apex alone. So trust me, guys, they have money, I think. But it's their personal thing. I don't know. Slow movements so far. I'd like to see this one go lower. Slow movements. Hey, no problem, Ashevs. No problem, absolutely. Don't worry about it. Definitely, help each other out. We are small streamers, even myself. We help each other out. That's how we do. Uh-huh. That's how we do it. You're done? Let's go. Up 6 winning days. Congratulations. Nice job. Nice job there. That is great. That is how you do it. Yeah, 2000. Yeah, that I know. $2,588, man. Legend. Legend. What is happening here? No, I'm not a legend. I'm just, I don't know what I am. I'm just doing my daily schedule here. A BMW legend. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna sleep in this. I'm gonna wear it all the time now. So I'm gonna sleep in this. I'm gonna go everywhere. I'm not even going to wash it. So this is gonna be my new superhero outfit. Legendary. Special. Special. I am special. Yeah. And oh, definitely I'm gonna paint my face. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. JC for you 21. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome, welcome. After this trade, I am not taking any more trades. And that being said, I have some stuff to do, so I do have to close the stream early on this London session, which means I'm about to close the stream as much as I would like to stay, but I have some stuff to do in the city and I have to go to places. But I will be back in the New York stream. Let's see if we have some movement. You know, there should be some liquidity in the AM session. We'll see about that. Today is like a slow day anyways. I'm going to leave this trade on. I'm not going to modify anything. Not the TP, not the stop loss. I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm getting the BMW tattoo, but that's a secret, man. With the sunglasses. Yes, Ollie, that's... I also have to go to the BMW mechanic today because to check some parts. But yeah. So anyway, I'll be coming back for the New York session. I don't know how much volume are we gonna have, but I hope to see you guys back then. And don't forget, if you would like to support the stream, please use the cheat code TomSabo for all these prop firms except Tradeify, but you can click on the link and use the code FAB. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I have to go this early, but I will make up for it next time. And God bless you all. Have a safe day, and I'll be back for New York. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless.